Hi everyone, my name is Nikita Lamour. I want to say welcome to the school year and welcome to my first episode of a series called Education Talk. The reason why I refer to it as Education Talk because I'm an educator and I've been writing about my practice, I would say, for the past 30 years. But usually one doesn't hear classroom teachers, teachers who teach K-12 talk about their practice. So we're not like a group of people who speak about our practices. So we do. We are in the classroom. We're doing a tremendous job teaching the kids, but we rarely talk about our practice, and they don't expect K-12 teachers to write, to publish. But when I was teaching, I used to publish about 4 articles a year, and I will do 4 presentations a year. I presented at Harvard School of Education, at Lesley College, at MABE, Massachusetts Association of Bilingual Education, the Teachers Association of English Language Learners. So I've done presentations. I only speak when I have to do presentations. However, I don't speak. I also speak with parents when we do parent workshops. So for a couple of years, I've done that also. I've organized parent workshops, and that's why I speak. But so primarily, I don't speak that much, and people who know me, I do a lot of writings in the web. Okay, so I'm gonna start talking about my practice, and I'm gonna start talking about what I've been writing for the past 30 years. So like I said, my specialty is English language learners, education of those whose English is not their first language. And I also want to speak, my first presentation, I want to talk about the environment. As school starts, we have to make sure that the children, the students are in the proper environment. So the home is quiet, they have a quiet space. There's a table, there's a desk, there is an environment where they can do their homework, where they can read. I know nowadays kids have smartphones and iPhones, but we need the reading, we need the writing. So they need to have the iPads, but you need books. They need to read and they need to write. So they need to have a table. Kids need to have a table where they can read and write. So the home environment is very important. The school environment. So when we, as parents or as stakeholders, we have to visit the schools to make sure that our kids are in the right environment. Not every school is right. Not every school is proper. Not every environment is conducive to learning. So as parents or stakeholders, we have to make sure we visit the schools, make sure that the classrooms are well lit, are well painted. They don't have paints that coming out of the ceiling, cheap paints, pieces of paint that coming off the ceiling. They have books, they have computers. Not all classrooms have computers, so now they're working on it, but not every student has access, has all the resources that they need to succeed. So the school environment is very important as well. The enrichment that the kids need. They need to go to the museums, they need to go to the libraries. So some of our students, especially my Haitian students, a lot of them make the library as a babysitting place. No. Yes, no. They need to go to the library not as a babysitting place. They need to go to the library as a place to learn, as a place to access resources, as a place that can help them do their homework, but not a hangout or a babysitting environment. So we need to make sure that the kids are in the proper environment, both at home and in the schools. And at home also, in the community, they need to see learning happening. So our kids, our students of African descent are not seeing enough learning in the community. So we need to do more schooling. We need to take them after school. We need to take them to the museum. So they need to see adults doing learning activities. So we're not simply sending the kids to school, but they have to see us as adults, as stakeholders. They have to see us learning. So I want to say welcome. I want to say thank you for watching my first YouTube episode. So it's the first in a series of education talk